If you love gadgets as much as we do, then you know gadget prices are all over the place. While shopping around for more cool gadgets to share with our awesome viewers like yourself, we came across the following new useful gadgets under $100. As always, links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Folding Bike Lock. If you own a bicycle or are planning to own one, you will definitely value it and keep it safe. As you ride around, you will eventually need to park it somewhere as you handle your business. Unfortunately, there are people out there looking to steal bikes. If you're a student, then you are most likely aware of how frequently bikes are stolen from campuses. Thankfully, Cedar Lock's Fold Lock is a device that will help you with this issue. This is a lock that has been made purposely to deter petty and experienced bicycle thieves with its cutting-edge design. This amazing lock is bolt cutter, drill, and saw proof. Number 2. Camping Power Bank. This is perfect for illuminating your entire campsite, while its directional flashlight mode is superb for various nighttime activities. An additional strobe light mode is included for emergency situations. This boasts a built-in rechargeable polymer battery. The base features 2 magnets, allowing it to be attached to any metal surface, such as a bicycle, car, or tent pole. It can also be hung using the 2 metal loops provided. With a water resistance rating, this lantern is not only perfect for camping, working, fishing, dog walking, and other outdoor activities, but also serves as reliable emergency lighting source. Number 3. Thin Sit Stand. Here's a cool versatile stand that can hold your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This is completely foldable and can be compressed to fit in your backpack, making it simple for you to transport. It offers a natural height of 10 inches to raise your laptop. Although it appears fragile and small, it can safely and effortlessly carry your MacBook or any other 15-inch laptop and can hold up to 22 pounds. Number 4. Electronics Cleaner Kit. The screen cleaning cloth is replaceable and can be hand-washed. It also comes with a free cloth for backup. With the widened and high-density brush, this cleaner set can cover more area on your device with just one swipe. The silicone tip can be used for cleaning the stubborn stains in the crevices of your device. The flocking sponge and a little brush is perfect for cleaning your earbuds and the charging case. Almost everyone owns a device nowadays, and this cleaner kit makes a perfect gift. Number 5. SwitchBot. This is a fascinating device that can add intelligence to any curtain. This is wireless, incredibly easy to operate smart home accessory used to control your curtains. All you need to do is secure it to your curtain rod, connect it to your smartphone, and SwitchBot will do the rest. It comes with a selection of add-ons that you can utilize because not all curtains are created equal in terms of features. You can program the bot to automatically open or close the curtain at predetermined times using schedules. Additionally, it has a light sensor to help close your curtains at night or open them, so you can wake up to natural sunshine. Number 6. Herbal Spice Dispenser. Would you like to enjoy perfectly ground herb without ever needing to twist open your grinder and be exposed to the messy process or potential spills? All those hassles are now a thing of the past with a single press of a button, which activates a powerful vibrational electric motor that evenly dispenses your herbs through the spout. Especially suitable for outdoor environments where you might not have access to a table or tray. Using the cleverly hidden magnetic flip spout that allows you to accurately position your aim, making it the perfect companion for rolling, cones, and for sharing your raw material, and when you travel. Your herbs are securely stashed behind a slidable dispensing gate secured by powerful magnets. Number 7. Seat Cushion. Get relief from lower back and sciatica pain with our desk chair cushion. The tailbone pain relief cushion evenly distributes weight to reduce pressure and pain. Enjoy lasting comfort during 8+ HR workdays with this cushion for tailbone pain. Made with comfort foam, it contours to your bottom using body heat while never flattening. Lower back support for the office chair cushion includes a unique U-shaped cutout that promotes proper spinal alignment and improves posture. These seat cushions are designed for your comfort, providing a comfortable seating experience for prolonged sitting periods at work, travel, or home use. It's designed to keep you cool, dry, and comfortable. The breathable, moisture-wicking cover helps prevent sweating due to prolonged sitting. Number 8. DeepLee Mini Projector. Sleek, stylish design, small and compact, mini size, and only 10 ounces. Enjoy a movie or football match after family dinner or BBQ party at home or courtyard. The USB port is only for U-disk and hard drives, not for phones. For smartphones, you need the HDMI adapter. Best image size appears to be 55 inches from a 2.5 meter distance. But many viewing options here to check out to create your own best user experience. Number 9. Floor lamp. Timeless classic cylindrical design makes it an excellent choice as an art piece to improve the look of your home decor. The Takapet floor standing lamps upscale the ambience of any room or corner with the soft glow of its smart LED beads. Enjoy multicolor displays as customized from millions of colors, visually stimulating modes, and its warm or cool whites. This offers a multitude of options for different needs, brings mood-enhancing, mesmerizing ambience for hosting get-togethers, watching movies, or reading. Manage your modern floor lamp conveniently with the hands-free voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Adjust brightness and speed, pick different colors and modes to DIY your desired lighting effect easily with just one tap on the remote or phone app. Number 10. Mini Stepper. With this gadget, you can track your fitness. LCD monitors measure the steps time total and calories, making your exercise time more effective. Equipped with removable training bands, this high-quality stepper tightens over 20 different core muscles and uses low-impact aerobic exercise to help tone your chest, back, and shoulders. Built with a hydraulic drive system, this workout machine provides a smooth stepping motion. Height adjustment knob adjusts the step motion height for either short bursts or long steps. Large textured foot plates ensure a solid, non-slip footing. Height range will decrease with each counterclockwise turn. It's easy to move your mini stepper from room to room with its compact frame and minimalistic design. Number 11. Utensil Holder. Here's a cool cooking tool for any home chef. This spoon rest has simple lines and a beautiful design that will keep your countertops splatter-free. Modern shape, size to accommodate even your largest cooking and serving tools. Keep your countertops clean and your utensils close at hand while cooking or baking. This budget-friendly utensil rest adds great convenience to your kitchen. With multiple slots, you get 4 parking spaces for your utensils. It really reduces the amount of space needed when multitasking in the kitchen, and you don't want one utensil mixing with the others. When the cooking is done, simply place your utensil rest in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Number 12. Defrosting Tray. This defrosting tray is a uniquely designed aluminum plate used for thawing frozen meats and food. This is the perfect alternative to the outdated conventional thawing methods, such as the use of microwaves or submerging food in water. Simply place frozen meats or food flat on the plate and let the thawing board do the work. The thawing plate is made with aluminum material, which is effective in extracting the cold from the food onto the plate. Thawing with a defrosting tray allows you to thaw your frozen food in a natural, healthy, and timely manner. Thaw faster than soaking in water and more safely than using the microwave. Thawing with a defrosting tray ensures you can maintain the nutrients and taste in your food. Number 13. Reusable Chopsticks. These metal chopsticks are made of stainless steel, which makes them reusable and not easy to scratch. Titanium is an excellent material to use since there is no peeling or discoloration issue after long time use. These are sturdy, reusable, almost indestructible. Compared with the round spot etching chopstick and the smooth chopstick, the chopsticks with line engraving on the tip can better grab and help hold the food more secure. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.